Hello, I'm Svitek, 360 Creative Coach, and in this episode, I want to tell you about a wonderful resource called Answer the Public. Now, before I fully get into it, I would like to take the opportunity to invite you to subscribe if you haven't already, that we get all the various lessons and episodes that I post right when I post them. All right, so let's get into it. Answer the Public. Their slogan is discover what people are asking about. Now, why is this important for you? Well, if you want to create content that tracks, right? They say, answer the questions that people are looking for. Well, that's what answerthepublic.com allows you to do. It allows you to search any sort of keyword, right? So, for example, I'm going to type in After Effects, right? And I'm going to hit search. And now, Answer the Public is going to show me what people are searching for as far as After Effects is concerned. So you'll get these various charts that you can then start to see, okay, what are people looking for? Okay, well, so for example, After Effect to HTML5 or whatever. So it's a lot of people seem to be, asking how to export various things. After Effect to Premiere Pro. Okay. What about After Effects is free? After Effects is not responding. After Effects is not using GPU. So a lot of these things seem to be very technical, right? Of course, there's, what is After Effects Adobe? What are After Effects plugins? What is After Effects template? All these things. So, in this way, just by doing this simple search, you can start to formulate, if you're someone that loves teaching After Effects, then you can start to directly teach people based on, what they are looking for, right? Even right here, like versus, for example, After Effects versus Premiere Pro, After Effects versus Animate, After Effects versus Blender versus DaVinci Resolve versus Fusion versus Motion, right? So it's like they're trying to get comparisons. So you have questions, prepositions, comparisons, and alphabeticals, right? So you can kind of see it in that way. Now, you can do some free searches, right? Like I did. But if you do enough of this, you will have to upgrade to a pro account, which, as implied, it does cost some money. But, at the end of the day, if this is really your bread and butter of like content creation, then it's worth it, So really check it out and see how you like it. It's answerthepublic.com, and it can really help tailor your content to what people are searching for, and therefore you can reach your audience a lot faster, better, and more useful for them, right? That is the goal. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. By all means, please, if you have any questions or want to add your 2 cents, whether it's your experience of using it and so forth, I encourage it. Please comment down below or hit me up on social media at Svitek. And furthermore, if you think this episode might be of benefit to somebody else in your life, please share it with them. I certainly would appreciate it. I appreciate you and hope to see you next time.